Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with the Messenger app not responding on your PC, you're in the right place. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to stay connected. Today, I'll walk you through several steps to fix this problem quickly and effectively. Let's get started. First, let's try the simplest solution. Close the app completely, and then reopen it. Sometimes a minor glitch can cause the app to freeze or become unresponsive. Make sure to exit Messenger entirely, then launch it again. You'd be surprised how often this quick restart can resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, the next step is to restart your device. This can help clear up any temporary software issues that may be causing Messenger to misbehave. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Once your PC has powered down, wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button. A fresh start can make a big difference. Now let's check your network connection. Sometimes an unstable connection can prevent apps from working properly. From the notifications area, click on the network icon and see if you can switch to a different network. Connecting to a more stable network can often help resolve connectivity issues with Messenger. Next, it's crucial to ensure that your internet connection is functioning properly. Again, click on the network icon in the notifications area to check your network status. If your internet seems slow or you're experiencing interruptions, consider troubleshooting your network or restarting your router to improve connectivity. If Messenger is still not responding, it may be time to uninstall and reinstall the app. This step can fix deeper issues that might be causing the problem. To uninstall Messenger, press the Windows icon and type Uninstall App. Find Messenger in the list, click on the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the action to remove the app from your computer. After uninstalling, you'll want to reinstall Messenger. Press the Windows icon again and search for the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Messenger and hit Enter. Click on Install to download the latest version of the app. This ensures you have the most up-to-date features and fixes. And that's it.